malaking chopper imported from Medicine Hat. Sunog naman yung tilapia nila. So maganda. So maganda. Lucy. Maganda.
What happened to your...
Are you sunburnt?
We were in the sun.
Yeah.
Ano oras eh ko?
12:55.
So you don't have to be there till 10.
What did you say? You wanna be what?
I want to be a teacher
Ah.
when I'm older.
Ah, that is so nice. Meow, meow.
What did you say?
Your stinky armpit. Meow, meow. Like
Can I see my brother?
cute.
Turn it louder.
Joke. You have to wave. Say bye, guys. Bye, guys. We're leaving. Bye. Yes, she's a famous movie star. This one. Well, now you can be an airport person. You're just there for one night.
So here's his boarding passes. You're going to gate C52 tonight, boarding at midnight 15. You're in zone 4, and then there's Toronto to Vancouver, so you're going there to come back.
I know.
Ah, yeah, and then Vancouver to Singapore.
That's for the fun of it.
All right.
58. Ayan tayo guys. Ito lang ang linoto nito nga para sa akin, sabaw. Ay hindi nga sabaw yan, lugaw.
Lugaw yan kasi.
Let's eat. Agay kay ano. Okay ba yung sombrero natin? Guys, welcome here in Singapore. The weather is cloudy. And as you can see, right-hand drive. It took us few days to get here. Pero here we are. Siya kasi may kasalanan. Okay, join us for our adventures here in Singapore. Peace. Nasa peace? Asan heart? Heart ba yan? Kaninong heart yan? Welcome back to Singapore again. And this is your host. Daming mga shipment na ano oh.
Container van.
Kaya mga nauuso ngayon, mga container na bahay na eh. Look at that greenery. It's lush of green leaves. Wala pang kanya masyado sa ano eh. Yeah, summer nga pero nag-snow.
Ilot-ilot, pakalaan ti.
Ayun.
Ilot-ilot.
Okay.
Pakalaan ti. Tiyan niya.
Guys, ang ating first lakad ngayon. Naligo na tayo guys kasi amoy paa tayo sa galing sa biyahe. It's so stinky. Oh my God. Ano na masasabi mo?
Sa gubat.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nalagay yung ganyan salamin ko pero may din ako. Pero hayaan mo
Hindi
na.
may ata dinala eh.
Meron yung pang ano lang dito.
Ayaw nga. Ito ng ano, NUS dyan. Yung dorm.
O, diba? Very anong pagkakagawa oh.
Montong ka naman.
I-premiere kung tuman ajay kwa. Guys, daming ahas dito guys. Mamili na kayo guys.
At sino ang isang ahas dyan?
Oh!
Who knows how long I've loved you, and you know